Welcome to my channel. How to set up Arlo Pro for Spotlight camera. Step 1. Connecting Arlo Pro for Spotlight camera to Wi-Fi network. Let's commence the installation of your Pro for security camera by connecting mobile phone to the home network. Disable the mobile cellular data before that. Disable the mobile cellular data before that. Launch the Arlo Secure app now. Scroll down and reach the bottom of the screen. Tap the option marked as Add New Device. The next step is to select the camera's option. You need to now hit the option that says Pro out of Ultra, Pro, or Essential. Select the camera model, i.e. Arlo Pro for Spotlight camera. Select the camera model, i.e. Arlo Pro for Spotlight camera. Tap Continue. Again, verify that you have connected your mobile to the 2.4 GHz network of your gateway. Come back to the Arlo app and tap the Continue option. Come back to the Arlo app and tap the Continue option. Hit the Continue button again. Step 2. Install the camera. Pick up your Spotlight camera and insert its battery into the battery compartment. Return to the Arlo app and tap Continue. You will now see that the LED on the front of your Arlo Pro for XL camera is blinking blue. Just in case the LED does not blink blue, you are required to tap the option that says so in the Arlo Secure app. Locate the sync button on your security camera now. Press this button. Your Arlo camera is set up now.